Imagine this. You're a normal student today, but within just 6 days, you turn into someone cruel, aggressive, even dangerous. Sounds impossible, right? But this actually happened in real life during one of the most shocking psychological experiments ever conducted. In 1971, a shocking experiment was conducted at Stanford University. It was led by psychologist Philip Zimbardo. The goal was simple: understand how people behave in prison environments. But what happened next shocked the world. The experiment was called the Stanford Prison Experiment. Volunteers were recruited and randomly assigned roles. Some became prisoners, others became guards. None of them had criminal backgrounds. The prison was actually a basement in the university building. It was designed to feel as real as possible. Prisoners were arrested from their homes unexpectedly. This made the experience feel real from the start. Prisoners were stripped of their identity. They were given numbers instead of names. They wore uniforms and had little freedom. This quickly made them feel powerless. Guards, on the other hand, were given authority. They wore uniforms and sunglasses. This gave them a sense of power and control. At first, they were normal and calm, but within just 1 day, things started changing. Guards began to act more strict. They started enforcing rules harshly. The environment was slowly transforming. By the second day, prisoners began to rebel. They refused to follow orders. This angered the guards. The situation escalated quickly. The guards responded with punishment. They used psychological tactics instead of physical violence. Prisoners were humiliated and stressed. Fear started to take over. Some prisoners broke down emotionally. They cried, screamed, and showed signs of trauma. The experiment was becoming dangerous, yet it continued. Guards became more aggressive each day. They enjoyed the power they had. Some even created cruel punishments. The line between role play and reality disappeared. What's shocking is that these were normal students. Just days ago, they were regular people. But the situation changed their behavior completely. Power had transformed them. Even the researcher, Zimbardo, got involved emotionally. He started seeing the prison as real. He didn't stop the experiment immediately. This made things worse. A young woman named Christina Maslach visited the experiment. She was shocked by what she saw. She questioned the ethics of the study. This changed everything. Because of her reaction, the experiment was stopped early. It was supposed to last 2 weeks, but it ended in just 6 days. The damage was already done. The experiment revealed something terrifying. Ordinary people can become cruel under certain conditions. Power and environment can change behavior quickly. This was a major discovery in psychology. It showed how authority can influence actions. People may follow roles blindly, even if it means hurting others. This raised serious ethical concerns. Today, the experiment is widely discussed. Some criticize its methods. Others believe it revealed deep truths about human nature. It remains one of the most famous studies ever. It also influenced real-world prison systems. People began questioning how prisoners are treated. It started discussions about human rights. Its impact is still felt today. The biggest question remains: what would you do? If given power, would you stay kind, or would you change like the guards? That's what makes this experiment so powerful. This story proves one thing: situations shape behavior more than we think. The line between good and evil is thinner than it seems. and under the right conditions, anyone can cross it. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share this video.